Have you ever wondered how planes fly? How these mammoth machines, weighing several tons, manage to soar through the sky with such grace and precision? Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of aviation physics, shedding light on the secrets of flight. Airplanes are a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to human ingenuity. At the heart of their ability to fly lies the four fundamental forces: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Understanding these forces equips you with the basic knowledge of how planes overcome gravity and achieve flight. Weight, the force of gravity pulling the plane towards the earth, is counteracted by lift. Lift is the force that pushes the plane upwards, generated by the special shape of the wings, also known as airfoils. The airfoils are designed to create a pressure difference between the top and the bottom surfaces of the wing, resulting in an upward push that can overcome the weight of the plane. Next come thrust and drag. Thrust propels the plane forward, generated by the engines, while drag tries to slow it down. The engines, whether they are jet engines or propellers, work by sucking in air at the front, compressing it, mixing it with fuel and igniting it. The resulting force pushes the plane forward, overcoming the drag caused by air resistance. But how does a pilot control this massive machine in the sky? The answer lies in the control surfaces: the ailerons, the rudder, and the elevators. The ailerons, located on the trailing edge of the wings, control the roll of the plane. The rudder, attached to the vertical stabilizer at the tail, controls the yaw, and the elevators, attached to the horizontal stabilizer, control the pitch. Taking off, maintaining flight, and landing each require a delicate balance of these forces and control surfaces. During takeoff, the thrust must be greater than the drag and the lift must be greater than the weight. Once in the air, the plane can cruise at a constant altitude, where the lift equals the weight and the thrust equals the drag. When it's time to land, the pilot reduces thrust and uses the elevators to adjust the pitch down, allowing the plane to descend gradually until it touches down on the runway. Now, imagine having to manage all of these forces and control surfaces for hours on end. That's where autopilot comes in. Autopilot is a technological marvel that can control the plane's trajectory, reducing the workload on the pilots, especially during long flights. However, it's worth noting that pilots always have the final say and can override the autopilot when necessary. To sum up, airplanes fly by balancing four forces: weight, lift, thrust, and drag. The pilots control the flight using the ailerons, rudder, and elevators. Autopilot helps manage these elements during flight, but the pilots are always in control. So the next time you look up at a plane soaring through the sky, you'll have a better understanding of the incredible physics and engineering that make it possible.